Ma'am May at si Laika from California ang pangunahin nating sponsor. Kasama din po si Doktora Gayla, ang mag-asawang si Sir John at Ma'am Christy. Hindi makakarating po sa village kung wala si Kuya Jason na driver po ng sasakyan. Ang pangunahing sponsor po ng outreach program ng kanilang team ay si Ma'am May from California. Nais niya po ma-experience personal na makarating po dito sa village. Sobrang nakakatuwa at nakaka-bless po ngayong araw. Yung amin pong mga bisita ay galing pa po sa malayong lugar.
The feedings and the activities is really tiring, but you know what? It's a blessing. It was very fun, and it was a little work, a little sweaty, but it was worth it. Yeah. At the end, I think ang mahalaga yung you make people happy, tsaka mabiyaya, na nawawala yung pagod na. You see people very, very happy. Masaya sila sa lahat, small and big activities, and then the feeding program was a success. So it was really good. We enjoy Mamburao. I wish there will be more people who will be very willing to assist the people here in Mamburao with with Pastor Rowell. There's a lot of people here who needs help. They need electricity. Kailangan nila ng pagkain, kuryente.